Learn how to fix text display issues in Google Chrome on Windows 11 in just a few easy steps. Open the Windows search menu and type ClearType. Select Adjust ClearType Text and check Turn on ClearType. Follow the prompts to optimize text display, then click Finish. Restart your computer. Open Google Chrome, click on the menu icon, 3 dots, in the top right, then select Settings. In Settings, go to System and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Relaunch Chrome. Open the search menu, type Advanced System, and select View Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings and ensure Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts is checked. Click Apply, then OK. Optional. In Chrome, go to the menu Help about Google Chrome to check for updates and to restart Chrome if prompted. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.